Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar, and today we are going to be talking and giving some information about the famous city of Cartagena, Colombia, or better say, the well-known walled city, or the stone placement, how many people say it or know it, this touristic city. This touristic city is located in north of Colombia, more exactly in the edge of Caribbean Sea. It was founded by Pedro Heredia in 1553. It always has been one of the most important ports of America. In November 11 of 1811, Cartagena de Indias was separated of Spain and it was declared independent. For this reason, in this day is celebrated in the city of Cartagena the Independence Festival for 4 days long. In November 1984, it was declared like a heritage site by the UNESCO. It is so common you see this sweet, kind and friendly woman on the streets of Cartagena, with your colorful dresses and always keeping a smile in your faces, offering to you the most delicious fruits and fruit salads. You can talk with them, ask them for the Cartagena's history, and inclusive you can take some pictures with them. Lately, there is a news that says that the rich people of the city are creating a foundation for appropriate of this business, which it is a terrible news for this woman and for all the people who have lived all the life of this. In this beautiful city, you can take a walk, take the sun, or swimming in his pretty beaches. In the beach, you can enjoy all the seafoods like crabs, oysters, shrimps, between others. Another thing that I consider is so important of this great city is that here you'll find people of all around the world. You can meet it and create a friendship with them, and in fact, to know about the different cultures and customs. Now, talking about foods, in this city you can find a great variety of restaurants which offer you the best sea dishes and different kinds of fishes too. Like this. And talking about food, it can miss the seafood casserole, which consists in a cream of different kinds of seafoods, such as lobster, prawns, shrimp, fish, clams, between others. Inclusive, many people say that this dish is aphrodisiac, but really, I can't sure that. Okay, this is some information about Cartagena, Colombia. I want to invite you to come, visit, and enjoy this lovely city. Thanks for watching, and bye.